In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Cyberghost VPN for your PlayStation. Whether you're aiming for enhanced security, or you're looking to bypass geo-restrictions for gaming, setting up a VPN on your console can greatly improve your online experience. So let's dive in and get you connected in just a few minutes. First, head over to the Cyberghost VPN website. You'll want to navigate to their official page to ensure you're downloading the latest and most secure version of their software. Once you're there, look for the My Account section at the top of the page. Clicking on My Account will guide you toward managing and setting up your VPN services. If you haven't already, log into your Cyberghost account. You'll need your username and password handy for this step. In case you've forgotten these details, you can easily reset your password from the login page. So no worries if that happens. Now, let's return to the Cyberghost home. From here, locate and click on the Download Hub. This is where you'll find various versions of the VPN, specifically designed for different devices. Make sure you're in the right place, because it'll save us time as we move forward. Inside the Download Hub, search for the section labeled Other Apps. Clicking here will present you with a variety of options tailored to many devices. And today, we're focusing on getting this set up for our PlayStation. You'll find an option specifically for Cyberghost VPN for PlayStation. Click this, and it will guide you through downloading the appropriate configuration for your PlayStation console. Having a VPN on your gaming system is crucial if you're looking to protect your data and enjoy a seamless gaming experience. Once this is done, the next step is to activate Smart DNS. Look for the Set Smart DNS button and click on it. Smart DNS is particularly helpful as it allows you to bypass regional restrictions on content while maintaining a fast connection speed, which is perfect for gaming. Setting this up correctly ensures you have the optimal gaming experience without any annoying buffering or lag. And there you have it. With Cyberghost VPN now set up on your PlayStation, you can enjoy gaming on a whole new level with increased security and content freedom. Plus, knowing your data is encrypted adds an extra layer of peace of mind. Thanks for joining me on this quick setup tutorial. Make sure to like and subscribe for more useful tech tips. If you have any questions or run into issues, feel free to drop a comment below and we'll be happy to help out. Happy gaming, everyone!